How to update all apps in one click in Play Store. Go to Play Store application on your Android phone. Here in Play Store homepage, go to profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. Tap this. Here you can see the Manage App and Device. Go to this. Here in Manage App and Device, you can see here the updates available. So I have 36 updates pending. So to update all this application in one click, you'll have to do is tap the update all button here. And also you can see here in See Details. If you tap the See Details, you can see here the application required update. Here you can also tap the update all button here to update all of these 36 available updates. To update all, tap the update all button here and automatically update all application on your Play Store in your Android phone.